Apolo kinito na tukoto na walimu ko district loko Kalaki, Francis Ejibu. Ngesie balebe, mame koto Esisianakinak, apalo na kironu aimono kagwelanar, nara inenese polo rotori Kalaki.
But as Walimu Sacco, government of Uganda has given us 25 billion shillings. We want to give credit to President Yoweri Museveni for giving us that grant. For us in Kalaki district, we have already started our SACCO. All the documentation is there and members have already joined the SACCO. I'm encouraging all the teachers in the district to join the SACCO so that some credit is extended to them so that they open some income generating activities to boost up their salaries. The union is giving this loan at a very low interest rate of 15% per annum.
Nepane na polo kiniton yunatu ko district loko Kalaki, Simon Egango. Ngesi keu nitebe, atukoto na ko walimu, mame seki Esisianakinak.
Recently, UNATU has come up with a plan that they merge Walimu Sacco together. There is a Sacco also for the teachers union. They are going to merge it so that hopefully we shall transform into a bank that will be strictly for teachers. But our idea that please let's join these Saccos so that it will be easy for us to transform into a teachers bank. We are paying a lot of money to these banks. You know, our salaries come to these various banks. But you know, bank charges and what have you, our monies go there alone.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Elapu, ko district loko Kalaki.